to share Pinterest board. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can share Pinterest boards. First, open your Pinterest application on your mobile device and navigate to your boards by clicking on the human icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select Boards. Once you have chosen the board you want to share, tap and hold it and icons will appear. Look for the search icon among the options. Slide your finger to the search icon to share the board. You can use various social media platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp or Facebook to share your board. Additionally, for more sharing options, click on the More option where you will find a variety of platforms to choose from. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to share Pinterest board. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.